How to delete Yahoo account permanently. Follow these steps to permanently close your Yahoo account and delete all associated data. Firstly, prepare for account deletion. Simply back up any important data, update linked accounts, and cancel subscriptions. Now, once you have done so, on a desktop, open any preferred web browser and go to the Yahoo account website and make sure you are logged into your Yahoo account. Now, once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, tap on the Manage Your Account option available there and navigate to the Profile Settings. Now here at the top tab, you can see Privacy option available. Tap on it and on the next page, you will be navigated to Privacy Dashboard. Now here, scroll down and look for the Delete My Account option available here and simply tap on it. Once inside the Delete Your Account, read all the terms and conditions and tap on the Continue option available there. Now all you have to do is enter your email address to confirm and select Yes, terminate this account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.